If you have a problem with your engineering project that requires motion control solutions, we have a team of engineers here that will be dedicated to your project. When it comes to motion control systems, feel free to ask us any questions. Our team are here to help and try and resolve these problems for you. Whether that's the size of the gas strut that you need, the force of the gas strut, the position of it, the type of materials that you need to use. At Camloc, we work across a range of industries, whether that be medical, defence, industrial, any industry whatsoever, we can help with motion control solutions. The engineers available to the customer from the moment they make the inquiry to us. They will come in the minute we receive a phone call. If the customer's experiencing problems, there's always someone here that they're available to talk to them. Yeah, any job really. It doesn't matter how large or small that we're talking about. There's some really complicated applications that our customers are dealing with, but equally, if you're not used to dealing with gas struts, then the most simplest part can be really difficult. So there's no right or wrong answer to that one. Our engineers are here to support you every step of the way. No problem is too big or too small.